Nagandahan ka ba sa bagong design or nakulangan ka pa rin? Featuring etong bagong new look na crown para sa Miss Earth 2023 in Vietnam by Long Pearl na nag-design dyan at makikita nyo na ibang-iba talaga kaysa sa previous na mga crowns ng Miss Earth organization. Makikita nyo dito, meron ng photoshoot si Mina Soo Choi from Korea na reigning Miss Earth 2022 na suot-suot itong bagong design ng Miss Earth. So, Miss Earth crown, I should say. Kaya, kung titignan nyo, wow, as in, kakaiba, napaka-sophisticated, tapos very elegant yung design niya, no? Before we continue, follow me sa aking Instagram account, The Story of Anthony. Kaya kita-kit sa Instagram, ha? Ito naman yung comparison between the old na crown tapos ito yung bagong crown. So, old and then the new crown. So, in terms of appearance, ibang-iba talaga, no? Iba yung design nito, iba rin yung design nito. So, dito, mas marami yung details doon sa old crown. Pero kapag titignan nyo, itong bagong design nyo by Long Pearl, mas, alam mo yun, parang, for me mas kakaiba din yung dating niya. So, parang new look talaga. Parang naghilamos talaga ang Miss Earth para naman magkaroon sila ng bagong image. Ayan. So, before and after or then and now, itong crown design. So, one more question. Gusto nyo ba itong bagong design or itong old? Credits to Long Beach Pearl. Ayan, nakorek ko na po. Long Beach Pearl, yan yung announcement nila and revelation. Tapos, ito, yung description ng mga crowns. So, babasahin natin, no? The Miss Earth 2023 crown is crafted by Long Beach Pearl with the theme Connected Diversity for the Common Planet as a testament to the harmony between nature and humans. Designed by the founder of Long Beach Pearl, entrepreneur Boy Thi Mi Can, and the talented artist of the brand, carries the mark of the journey to celebrate Vietnamese beauty and its original connection with nature. The Miss Earth crown by Long Beach Pearl is made up of gold that combines pearls and gemstones with bold colors. Designed to collect 87 precious pearls, according to the lunar calendar, the number 87 belongs to the earth, symbolizing peace, warmth, existence, and eternity. The marker designed with accents of 6 sun-bright South Sea pearls combined with the outer colored stone circle forms a ceaseless movement, cycle, and eclipse of the earth. It is also the life source of greenery, nature, living species, and even us. Long Beach pearls for new crowns are not only symbols of elegance and power, but also bring a deep meaning to the theme of uniquely connected for the common planet, further elevating the value of Miss Earth, one of the 4 major and top beauty contests in the world. O, diba? So, ina-acknowledge talaga nila yung Miss Earth as one of the big 4 big pageants in the world. Balikan ulit natin itong old crown. So, maraming years na rin ang nakalipas at marami na ring countries ang kinoronahan ng crown na ito. So, today, alam nyo, walang permanente dito sa mundo, pati ang mga designs. Kaya, it's about time talaga na mag-move on tayo para sa new design. And speaking of new design, pag-usapan naman natin yung details. So, closer look ng crown, makikita mo na, wow, as in, mapapawaw ka kasi ang daming gemstones, ang daming pearls, ang daming gold. Yan, talagang lahat hindi siya peke, lahat original, pure. So, kahit na anong angle ng crown na yan, maa-appreciate mo talaga yung value. Lahat ng mga ginamit na gemstones sa bagong Miss Earth crown, mapapawaw ka talaga, no? And for me, my first reaction is, wow, why not, diba? For as long as magkakaroon ng new facelift ang Miss Earth organization, and then go with it. For as long as may sponsor, diba? May mga organization na willing na maghilamos sa Miss Earth. Para naman magkaroon din tayo magkaroon ang organization ng bagong muka. Yan. Kasi every pageant, lahat nag-change ng kanilang crown. So, why not also na i-apply ng Miss Earth organization ang ganitong klaseng pag-transform, di ba? So, yes, a major transformation talaga ang Miss Earth today, and I believe nag-upgrade talaga sila, as in super upgrade, hindi ordinary upgrade but big upgrade. Ngayon naman, pag-usapan natin yung mga elemental crowns. So, naipakita kanina yung main crown. Ito yung main crown ng Miss Earth. Yan po yung susuotin ng mananalong Miss Earth for today's version or for today's edition 2023 sa Vietnam. Kaya nakaka-excite, no? Kasi bagong facelift talaga ang Miss Earth ngayon. Yung details naman, makikita mo na lahat ng combination ng elements, ayan, nandyan sa Earth. So, 'di ba, ang ganda, ang galing, and alam mo 'yon, very unique. Tapos yung creativity talaga ng mga nag-design diyan is wow, as in. And then dumako naman tayo sa air. 'Yan. So, sa mananalong Miss Earth Air, sa magpa-place ng Miss Earth Air, ayan po, color white. Kasi yung white, I think it represents yung air, yung purity. Ayan, kaya 'di ba, color white usually yung na-associate sa air. So pag nanonood kayo ng Avatar, 'di ba? Color white yung mga karaniwan na representation ng air. And then dumako naman tayo sa Miss Earth Water. Yan. So Miss Earth Water, color blue naman yung kanyang kulay, yung parang motif niya, no? Yung motif ng crown, may mga blue na gemstones na ginamit, and I believe syempre original yung mga or legit na tunay yung mga gemstones na ginamit dyan. Kaya ang gandang tignan yung elemental crown na yan, representing water. O, di ba? Para din sa Avatar, color blue din yung nagre-represent sa water. And then, yung isang elemental crown is fire. So, Miss Earth Fire, syempre, fire, color red talaga. Color red, dark red, pwedeng orange, ayan. So, kapag nanonood kayo ng The Avatar, di ba, the color red represents fire, di ba? Yung plasma na fire, hindi yung blue flame, yung red flame. Pwede rin yung blue flame, pero mas matingkad, mas bold kasi yung color red na representation of fire. Kaya, yan yung mga bagong muka. So, once again, pinapakita ko ulit, ito yung bagong muka ng Miss Earth Crowns. Kaya, I believe, I am super satisfied. O, di ba? Napapost talaga ako kasi no words how to explain sa bagong design na yan. Kasi natutuwa talaga ako na re-rebuild ang Miss Earth ngayon, nag-elevate sila ng kanilang image, ng kung anong kineme, basta mapaangat yung kalidad ng Miss Earth pageant. Kaya one last question. Very satisfied ba kayo at ito na nga ba ang gagamitin ng Miss Earth? Itong mga bagong design na crowns. Ayan, one last look. Or baka naman gusto nyo pa rin yung old design. So, ito yung old design. So, marami na rin years ang pinagdaanan ng old design na ito. Ayan. Pero, syempre, kailangan na natin mag-move on. Kaya, sana may natutunan kayo dito sa video na ito, especially about sa pagpapahalaga ng mga bagong design as years go by. Kasi nga, kailangan din mag-transform from time to time. Okay? So, I hope na follow nyo pa rin ako, either pageant or non-pageant vlogs sa mga next videos ko. Okay? So, thank you very much. Have a wonderful day and think positive.